Hey guys and girls, thumbs up from me as usual. Welcome to my channel, The Real Love Survival. And this is just a really short one. It's going to be a short video, and it's all about my PSK, personal survival kit. And I got two. Why have I got two? Two is one is none. And this is my SAS survival kit that I put together myself. And this is a BCB tin with also a personal survival kit inside it. But today's video is just to say to you that this will be coming on soon, maybe tomorrow, hopefully, God willing. I probably will do it tomorrow. But yeah, personal PSK ×2. So watch this space and I will show you what's inside. Hit the subscribe, the thumbs up, all the good stuff, and I'll see you all in the next video. Take care, bye. See ya.